Masak apa? Masak Mystyle. Oh, it's raining again. Hujan lagi. Ya Allah Tuhanku. Adakah hari ini hari yang rahmat So today is a God blessed day because it's raining. It's very nice. The weather is not so hot. And because of that, I'm gonna make something simple. But this is a redo video. Ini adalah video yang saya buat lagi sekali ini adalah ikan sumbat ikan sumbat datin. This is starfish. So inside the fish got sambal. It's called a starfish. Now the last video is because that there is a copyright copyright, but I on the radio also got copyright music all this Malay company they want to take some money from me. So I want to delete that video. So I make this new video without a radio background. No background. Okay. So let me take you and show you the ingredient. Marilah ikut saya. Saya akan tunjukkan awak macam mana nak buat ikan sumbat datin Okay. Onion, garlic, shrimp paste, and then lemongrass, turmeric leaf, and then kaffir leaf, lime leaf, and then we have cumin, turmeric powder, and then a bit of salt. I give about 1 tablespoon, 1 tablespoon, 1 tablespoon, and 2 tablespoon of sugar, and chili, dry chili. I've already boiled first, and then 1 tablespoon of tamarind pulp, and then you mix with water, and then of course you have this is cincaru fish, and then biasa cakap ni dalam bahasa Melayu, bawang putih, belacan, serai, daun kunyit, daun limau, serbuk cinta manis, serbuk kunyit, garam, gula, and then asam jawa, cili kering. This dry cili kering dalam 25 batang ataupun 20 batang, tak banyak. And then ikan cincaru saya dah belah 2. Ini saya dah buang perut. Ada yang saya tak buang perut kerana orang-orang dulu kan tak suka buang perut dia suka makan dengan perut dia sekali orang-orang Melayu lama-lama dulu. Orang-orang sekarang tak ada So this are the sample. I will show you later. Nanti saya tunjukkan macam mana nak kalahkan ikan ni. So bahan-bahan dia senang sekali. So this kaffir leaf and like the lime leaf and the turmeric leaf I've already minced it So slice it up. Boil your dry chili. Rebuskan chili kering So this is the cincaru fish, and then you have to cut in between. This is the center of the fish, and then we will cut these two side Ini ikan pertengahan dia, jadi kita potong di tepi di sini dan juga di sini. If you touch here is empty. Okay, this is the bones so it's just here. Okay, so put the center, and then you estimate from here. Then you just push in. You can feel that there's an empty part here, and then you just push in. Push all the way until here. Okay, so it's estimate about this deep. Okay, so see, so this is how deep the fish should go. Okay, and then you turn over the other side, and you do the same thing. Okay, there you go. So you can stuff the sambal inside here. Okay, just not open up, just slice a little bit. Okay, there you go. This is easy. Just put everything in food processor. Masukkan semua kat dalam blender termasuk belacan-belacan ni semua, dan juga cili kering, dry chili. Now I didn't use water because I put the lime juice, tamarind juice Saya tak pakai air, saya masukkan air asam taruhkan semua kat dalam blender ni. Now make sure that you have sufficient water and not too much Jangan banyak air dia. Okay, so I think this is just enough. Okay, then pour in the rest of the ingredients. Taruhkan semua barang-barangnya semua. Panaskan minyak, taruhkan sambal tu kat dalam kuali. Heat the oil, and then we're gonna cook this sambal for a minute, and then pour in your all your lime leaf and turmeric leaf. Masukkan daun kunyit dengan daun limau ni. Masukkan semua. And then kacau. No need to put anything already. It's all done already, okay? Tumis seketika. Stir fry. For your sambal, just put in a bit of salt. Campurkan dengan garam Okay, you can see this is the oil. The oil is coming up already. So this is about half cook. Ni dah nampak minyak dia naik, dah dekat setengah masak So you need to be very completely cook. So because you're gonna fry again this fish. Tak payah tumis lebih-lebihan sebab anda nak goreng ikan nanti. That's it. That's your sambal. Okay. So this is the sambal. Ini sambalnya So you pull it off first Kasih dia sejuk. The frying no need so much of oil. Tak payah minyak banyak sikit sudah So here we go. So we open up the fish. Then take the sambal. Okay, there you go. Actually after that you can wrap with pandan leaf or whatsoever leaf lah. Up to you lah completely. Okay, it's up to your creativity. Terserah pada awak. Awak nak ikatkan dengan daun pandan ke, daun apa ke Okay, panaskan minyak, heat the oil. So and then I reverse I reverse the fish. Okay. Make sure you press so that the sambal still stick there. Press. Then so fry with medium heat. Masak dengan api yang sederhana airkan juga yang kacau-kacau bit lah. Gulai-gulai bit. So you can smell the sambal dah boleh bau sambal dia Jadi awak dah boleh pusing You can flip over. Because this sambal is already half cooked. Okay. Okay. This fish don't take so long to fry Ikan ni tak mengambil masa yang lama cantik Okay, look very nice. Here, nice golden brown. Ikan sumbat datin so lovely So you can see the starfish, the sambal inside the fish memang cantik. Okay, selamat kembali kepada sesi cekik menyekik makan memakan eating session time. Oh wow. Hai, apa khabar? Selamat kembali and welcome back. Ikan sumbat datin ni jangan marah This is the balance from the fry. This is the sambal, the black sambal. They call it the tahi minyak very sedap. So I eat it with my boiled lady's finger and I dipped it inside my soya sauce. So I dip inside the soya sauce already mixed with a bit of warm water. So just now there's a balance of the sambal. Tadi ada balance sambal ni saya boleh simpan boleh beli lagi 4 ekor ikan I still can buy 4 more fish of ikan sela or yellow striped tail or fish or whatever you call ikan sela. However, I don't want to talk so much on makan. So Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, let me try the ni memang sedap. This is one of my favorite vegetables dip It's very the Filipino Yeah. Nah, okay. So this is lovely. You can use ikan sela fish, or any fish which is hard skin ikan yang kulit dia yang keras, boleh buat di goreng ataupun bakar You can also do this in the when you have a picnic picnic pun boleh buat Sedap. Very nice. This one should never fail one. With all the ingredients it's all measured. So yeah lah, now I see why lah, because when you measure all the ingredients it's easier for you all to cook, right? Let me find the sambal. This is lovely. Dengan nasi panas sedap hot rice So you all know when I eat food I don't eat water. I don't drink water. This is the sambal. Very sedap. I can smell the aroma of the leaf the turmeric leaf, the lime leaf Saya boleh bau daun-daun ni sedap. Saya suka bau daun. When I was young, I don't like all this bau-bau I do not. For me, this fish is by itself alone, and this finger is more than enough for me. I don't have to make another dish with gravy because I want to taste But for you got family, you can make with soup, cabbage soup, or whatever soup lah, tofu soup, dry tofu soup kan. Awak boleh masak kuah air untuk family kan. This is lovely, see, the center of the fish. Okay, so now I flip over. I take all the sambal here, pick it up, korek balik sambal dah. Super lovely. Wow. The sambal is very sedap. Okay, so I'm going to enjoy my food. I hope you all can do this. A very simple menu and very easy, and perkara yang paling senang sekali nak buat di dapur. Saya harap anda juga boleh buat. So sampai kita berjumpa lagi di episod akan datang. Let's see us. We'll meet again in other episodes. So see you soon. Bye bye.